come to this cyberspace thing. So when we have come here, so have this next page. You have started coming to the content page now. Okay, content page. We will start, for example, there is a logic. If you are writing about some person, means you have to start, for example, from the culture. You have to write after this introduction. You have to write here. Okay. In the first thing, first page, don't confuse the examiner. First page, you give the examiner what he wants, or this is what I'm going to tell you. Okay. Next page you should say, for example, next page you can say, next, this is the okay, first, this is first page, this is second page. In this page you can say there have been quick developments in world, but there were a lot of failures. Any thing you can say. For example, please do give. For example, man landing on the moon was a very quick development, but again we were not able to go there, and hence it should have been a steady growth with steady development of technology. If we had gone there, it would have been done easily again. Any other, you can have that in the second page, not in the first page. Yes. Nuclear technology. Nuclear technology is one example you can write. Nuclear technology, agri-industry now leading the world. Indo-China war. Okay. Chinese economy initially focused on agriculture, later industry, now leading the world. Samuel, the point is that now you are justifying. You should take, for example, only this is actually brainstorming. What you are doing is brainstorming. Okay, whatever comes to your mind. For example, let us think, whatever whatever comes to your mind, please do tell. Okay, Chinese economy, quick but steady should be there. This question. Okay. Okay, quick. Any other point is there? Manu Banakar. Yes, actually correct. Climate conferences. Very good. Environment, you have it under environment. Under environment, you think about more things. Actually, environment, you can think about more things. You have this. Actually, this is how I used to write. What I used to do is there will be a rough page in the last. I would go there. For example, the question. Okay, United. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment, Simon. Through that question, please, can you read again? Okay, I will again. Okay.
So the question is, sir. Quick but steady.
Quick but steady wins. People, I think they want me to solve that philosophical thing. Okay, we'll solve that. Quick but steady wins. Yeah. But introduction, please think about that. That is how I would give. If some philosophical question is asked, quick but steady wins. Okay, well, next kuda we will come to the cyberspace and internet. I will tell you how the brainstorming is done. How I will do the brainstorming means I will have this. I will have these two words. For example, I will think about what are all the quick developments which had happened in this world. Okay, quick developments. What are the quick developments which happened? You think in this manner. First, think about these are the two keywords. Okay, what are the quick developments which have happened in this world? Think about it. United Nations quick establishment for peace. Okay. Yes. Social media. United Samuel quick establishment for peace. Then steadily ensured no war. Quick establish. See, now you think on these line. Okay. Again, now you think on these line. But this point is okay. This point is correct. Social media. Yes. There have been quick social media is there. Industrialization. Okay, industrialization was a quick development. That okay, in history you can give. Okay, we'll have that also. Any point you give. Industrialization. What are all the quick developments that have happened in this world? Think about it. Brainstorm. This is called as brainstorm. I will tell you how to connect these two. Okay, United Nations peace. Okay, United Nations establishment. As as Anthony said, establishment. Okay, we'll have that. Green revolution, very good. Ravindra, very good. Very good. Green revolution, very good. That is the point I am asking. Green revolution. You think this way. What you are studied, adapadi yosinga. Okay, green revolution. What other things? Vaccines found in okay, but steady develop. Okay, vaccines. Very good. COVID vaccine. Tell that. COVID vaccine. Okay, and yes, LPG, correct. LPG is also correct. LPG is a very good point. Any other point? What were the quick developments of the world? LPG, COVID vaccine, correct. Green revolution is correct. Instant coffee, yes. Space exploration, we will, okay, this will, okay, I gave it as an example, but we'll think. Industrialization, okay. The point is that this is the question. If it is a philosophical question, yes. Artificial, yes, you can say it is, yes, very good. You include that. AI and what to say? AI and
VR, sir. VR.
AI one topic. Okay. So the point is that next thing you have to, this is the brainstorming you have to do. This is the brainstorming. This is actually, if I will have the rough page, I will have these two divisions. Okay. I will have these two divisions. What I will do means, I will have these complete divisions. Okay. Then I will say, I will think about how steady it should have been. How steady it should be. For example, instant coffee, I'll tell you with that example itself. Instant coffee, fast food, all these are very things which are there. But food should be cooked properly, or fast food is there, cooked properly, and nutritious. Even eating should be slow. Okay, if I am not writing the answer, I am just brainstorming. So if there is an instant coffee, which is, if I am going to write about a point, I will have this as the point to see this. Or for example, COVID vaccine, let us see. Yes, COVID vaccine was created in a very fast manner because now it is needed. But there should be steady coverage, inclusive coverage, all countries, or even poor countries should have. Now it has, COVID has come, only USA has the vaccine. Now the whole world will rejoice, is it? No. It should be a steady growth for everyone. So it should be steady. And in the case of AI, yes, AI has come. But now the point is that it should be steady, means there should be some ethics. There should be some rules governing that. There should be some awareness generated. It should be a steady process. It should be a steady process where you incorporate all these things. Green revolution, see, you have read in your book, Green Revolution. If you see, Green Revolution was a very quick method. But this is a geography question actually. What are the problems you see in Green Revolution? All the problems are there. Soil going dry, and low productivity now. And everything is a problem now. Water availability is a problem now. Fertilizer increasing, yes. All this is increasing, but it should have been a steady growth. When industrialization happened, in Green Revolution happened, 1960s, there was a problem of food. We did not have food. So we went for this Green Revolution in a very fast manner. But it should have been a steady, it should have been increased. For example, it should have been inclusive. Except for Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and our Kaveri Delta, no state was there which was enjoying the benefit. So now we are going for green revolution in Northeast. Have you seen the scheme? What is this means? Now they are thinking about the steady growth. Green revolution is not the only factor which is enabling our important thing. It should be a steady growth. So, but people, you are missing out one point. Economy. Think about this economy. $5 trillion economy. Yes. 10% growth, 8% growth. Yes, it is there. Quick. But whether it is steady, whether it is stable, whether it is inclusive, not only 1 year, it should be for the rest of the century. Correct? That should be the way you have to connect these things. Now you understand this. Now you understand. Are you able to understand the things? Now quickly. Yes. Now quickly, one other thing we will see. One other thing, or philosophical. I will take philosophy itself. Yes, philosophy. I will tell you. Okay, how to write and all philosophy. If it comes, think about this. What philosophy? Okay, wisdom finds truth. This was. I did not write this, but can we? We will brainstorm and find answer for this. If they ask, wisdom finds truth. Actually, this is this happens in your brain. You are actually when everyone dreams, okay, everyone dreams, but have you seen that dream? The dream has a story. You know what your brain is doing, because your brain is actually in the case of computer, this I wanted to tell but I forgot, but anyways, in the case of computer, the extra things, actually extra things will be stored in your computer mobile. It will be clogging your computer. For example, you have to refresh your mobile very often. The same is the case with your brain. Your brain will have unwanted messages in your stored in, and when you are sleeping, that is the importance of sleep. Actually, when you are sleeping, the brain actually removes all the junk material. Okay, actually all the junk material which are thrown out, your brain does not waste that also. It makes a story with that junk actually. So this is the junk which is present. Okay, this is the junk from your head. Okay, but the point is that you have to convert it into a dream. That is the beauty of this essay. You are actually, what you think about any of the dream which you had. For example, I cannot tell the dreams which I maybe some other time I will tell you one UPSC related dream I used to which used to haunt me every time I used to write mains. I will tell you some other time, because now time is not there. But what I wanted to say was, all these things which are coming out of your brain are just junk. Okay, this is junk. You have to convert them into the story which you are going to say. That is why this introduction story is very important. Whatever story you are saying here, whatever story you are saying here for the first time, it is important. Here, from here, you will take on the story. And from here, you should have, for example, a story should have a timeline. Very, very important. When I read this, for example, when I am reading your paper, if, for example, this is the second paper, this is the fifth paper. For example, if I start reading, or here it is somewhere around, okay, economy is developing at a very fast rate, okay. But here, if I read about colonialism, Gandhiji, this timeline would not fit. Your brain has a timeline. Everyone has a timeline. Okay. This will not fit the timeline of the person who is reading. He will get confused, or she will get confused, because there is not a coherence. Logically, this should have been here. You should have started here, and this should be coming here. You get the point. This should also be taken into consideration when you are writing this essay. That is why I paid so much of importance to the introduction which you have. So the next step is this brainstorming part which is there. which is there, which is all the junk which is being thrown out of your mind, but you have to convert it into a story. That is what your brain is doing every night, and you are very well capable of doing that. Don't think that it is not possible. It is very much possible. You just have to listen to the brain, and you have to sit down and work. Okay, next one point, we'll only one thing we'll solve, and later we'll solve the rest. One thing is, what is it? Joy finds. Shall we solve this? Wisdom finds joy, truth. Is it okay? Wisdom finds truth. This was asked this time. Actually, wisdom. There are two words. Finds. Okay, finds is this. Okay, truth. There are two words in this. Very, very important words. You can have this either which way. Actually, Gandhiji wanted to find what Gandhiji was persistent on means finding truth. Okay, so you need not even you need not think about what is true. You think about what are all the things which are there, or what are the truth you want to, or shall I, for example, I will start with this. Shall I say wisdom finds truth, or means social justice? Shall I say this is the truth? Okay, social justice or empowerment of women, I will say. This is the truth, I will say. Okay, empowerment of women. What is the wisdom, or what is the wisdom I need to empower women? Constitutional values. Okay. Very good. Yes. Very good. Constitutional values. Secularism, absolutely. Yes, secularism is the absolutely. Constitutional values. Any other truth is there? This is social justice, empowerment of women. This is, or any other. Come on, you just have to brainstorm. You have to think from your brain. Think faster. Equality. Yes, absolutely. Whatever you think is the truth, whatever, can anyone deny it is not a truth? It is the truth. What you think is the truth is the truth. So that is what you have to think. So I will explain. For example, let us think this way. They are saying wisdom finds truth. Correct? Wisdom, what is the meaning of wisdom? This is what Plato, Aristotle, and GS4, why you are studying Plato, Aristotle means King Solomon's story, a princess. Okay. Princess put flowers in front of him. One is artificial, the other one is true. He asked his guard to open window doors. Bees sit on the origin. Just you can use that. Actually, this King Solomon's story, you can say SDG goals. You can. That is what I'm saying. Whatever you have learned is the truth. Education, you see, education. Truth. Very good. Truth of growth. Okay, truth of growth is 5 trillion economy, but that wisdom is distributive justice. Or why use technical terms? What is the wisdom? Wisdom is inclusive growth. You understand? Truth is, or let us assume, truth is agricultural, or let us, okay, first, okay, any one health approach. Yes, one health approach, distributive economy, one health approach. Truth. Truth is, okay, truth is social justice, okay, or women empowerment. Okay, women empowerment. Wisdom is improving the role in the household, giving education, giving health care, giving rights. So the point is that you should, this is the same. You should not write, for example, wisdom, truth, what is the truth in your mind? This is the truth you are going to find. for which you have to have a wisdom. Wisdom is knowledge. Okay, you should say, for finding this truth, for finding social justice, or for finding social justice, what are the wisdomous material, wisdomous things you will do? Wisdom on the equality, distribution, okay, or any other thing which you have. This is the, actually, when you are this question, please don't think that you can you should not you should write anything and everything. You should actually restrict yourself with the truth which you know. Okay, truth everybody knows. Is a very Gandhiji experiment with. You can start, or for example, as in the, okay, he said. Anthony said about Solomon. You can say Gandhiji's point, same. What is Gandhiji's book name? Start with that. Gandhiji was was very important leader of our country who experiments with truth. My experiments with truth was his book. He experimented with truth in search of wisdom for welfare of humanity. So do we too follow. So Gandhiji went in search of truth and wrote a book called Experiments with Truth, in search of truth. So we should also come, let me, you tell the exam, you tell in the essay paper. So you too come along with me. We will experiment with the truth to find the wisdom and for the welfare of India. Abdine, you start. So what are the experiments? So first experiment you put in this page. Experiment 1, social justice. Newton's, you can actually, Chandru, you can use anything. Okay, discovery of gravity. You can have, yes, actually, truth, wisdom. If you are, for example, Chandru, if you are writing, okay, Newton gravity, let us assume you are saying first page. Let us think your first half page you have written. Here you can say, even in the case of Newton, who discovered gravity. He went in search of wisdom. Okay, search of wisdom, and found the natural laws. So, like Newton, நாம் வாங்க நம்மளும் பழகலாம். So sorry, அப்படி எழுத கூடாது. Come, we will also see. Okay, come, we will also. Okay. So like Newton, come, let's see, let's find the wisdom to reach truth. You should see anything you can. That is what I'm saying. Your brain, you throw any junk you want, you can convert that into a story. Brainstormed material. For example, these are the things you have found now. Can you not write 8 pages? Introduction should be the story. That is what I'm telling you, which is very, very essential. I have just given you some methodologies which you can write, but you have to have this junk prepared in your mind and in your examination paper, where you have to connect these two things. Truth is what in Yosinga. Truth, unmana inna. எனக்கு உண்மை, மக்கள், people getting a welfare, people getting education. Secularism is truth for me. Country being secular, and because India is a secular country, India should always remain as a secular country where every religion should be respected, everyone should be equally treated. That is the truth I have. But what wisdom should I have in order to implement that secularism? I should have the knowledge of all religion is the same. All religion actually is the same. Everything says one thing, only love. All people are good. India has always been good, accommodative. Other than what at the time of Ashoka, that was the statement given to you this time, right? That was the statement given to you this time. What was the statement of Ashoka? You read that statement. Every religion should be respected, is what the statement of Ashoka is. That was the given into your prelims. So include that. That is the wisdom I have to have in order to realize the truth called a secularism. Write it. Who is going to stop you? Democracy, every vote has value. Yes, you can write, Samuel. You can write. That is what I am just giving you. I think we have some more 2 more classes. We'll see how we can accommodate. I think now I've given you a fair idea of what is essay and everything.